Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free 2000 naira and accumulate up to 100,000 naira without paying anything. It's completely free, and you're going to be able to claim free 2000 naira, and you're going to be able to accumulate unlimitedly. I just use 100,000 naira as a sample. You can accumulate up to that, and you can still accumulate more than that. There's no limit to the amount you can accumulate via this system, and it depends on how serious you take the system and how you're willing to work towards getting the money. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, simply click on the subscription button, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be notified that we'll drop the video. You're welcome back. So in this video, the system I'm going to be showing you is Palmpay Cash Pay. So it's known as Palmpay Cash Pay, but right now they've changed the name, the display name, but still the system is still the same thing. So we're going to be using Palmpay application. If you haven't registered on Palmpay, all you have to do is to check the description section of this video, and you will see the registration link there. So all you have to do is to click on the registration link and get yourself an account on Palmpay. So immediately you create an account, and you add all the necessary things that you're supposed to add to your account. You will be redirected to this dashboard. So this is your main dashboard on Palmpay application, and it is the application we're going to be using this money to do the 2000 naira accumulation. As you can see my dashboard here, I've accumulated 8,900 and something naira so far. So this 900 naira we're getting from other systems. So but the 8,000 naira that you are seeing here is getting from this thing, from the Palmpay Cash Pay, the system I'm going to be showing you this morning. So in previously, like in the past, the Cash Pay is always within these buttons here, but right now they've changed it, and the system have changed. That's why some people think the program has ended, but no, it has not ended. So they all only change some things on the application, and right now I'm going to show you how you can go about it. So if you want to start this free 2000 naira accumulation, all you have to do is to click on this reward button. Whenever you get to your dashboard here, just locate this reward button and click on it. So once you click on reward button, you'll be redirected to this page, and as you can see at the top of this page, you can see reward zone, and just below the reward zone you will see N2000 naira. So all you have to do right here is to click on N now. If it's your first time on clicking on that N now, you'll be redirected to a page that will give you three options to claim. You will see 500 naira, you will see 1000 naira, and you will see 2000 naira. So all you have to do is to select the amount you want to claim. So for this video, I select 2000 naira, which is this. Can you see? These are the three options. So if you want to start afresh, immediately you click on N2000 naira. This is the page you're going to be redirected to. So once you click on 2000 naira, then you click on continue, and then once you click on continue, you will be redirected, you'll be taken to this page. So immediately you click on that 2000 naira. So Palmpay will give you 1,715 naira start bonus. So as you can see here, basic rewards 1,750 naira, 1,750 naira. So all you have to do right now is to invite 5 friends to download this thing, to download the Palmpay application. So I've started the process before, and that's the reason why you are seeing 1,965 naira here, and that is because I've invited 4 friends already, and you can see here this is 4 over 5. So I've already invited 4 individuals out of the 5 people that I need. Immediately I refer one more person, then 50 naira is going to be added to my balance. And if you add 50 naira to this 1,965 naira, that will be 2,000 naira, and maybe 15 naira and something like that. You understand what I'm talking about? So it's as simple as that. So all you have to do is to register on Palmpay, log into your account, and click on the reward button. Once you click on the reward button, select 2,000 naira as the amount you want to claim. Once you select 2,000 naira as the amount you want to claim, then you'll be given 1,750 naira for free. Then all you have to do is to invite 5 friends to download and register on the app. Then immediately they register with your link, you're going to be given 50 naira for each friend. That's 250 naira, and 250 naira plus 1,750 naira, that's 2,000 naira. So then immediately you get up to 2,000 naira. Then this invite now button will change from invite now to withdraw. Then you will now be able to click on the withdraw button and 2,000 naira will be withdrawn to your bank account. If you check my history here, as I've said, I've started the accumulation process already, and you can see this is the first, second, and then third. If we go to our transaction history here, you will see that we have accumulated a lot of money, and I just start accumulating. So I just start accumulating. So I want to show you something. Can you see? This is March 27 transaction history. Can you see? This is March 27, March 27, March 27. And if you check the date that I recorded this video, this is March 27. So I've been able to claim 3 sections this morning. Immediately you end one session, you'll be able to start another session. So I will show you everything in the withdrawal project, because I'm going to show you live withdrawal. I've made a live withdrawal for you so that I will be able to show you everything and you understand fully how this works. So I've made a withdrawal video, and when I show you the withdrawal video, you will be able to see what I'm talking about. So today now I have been able to claim 3 sections, 2,000 naira, and that is 6,000 naira, in which I am on the 4th one already. If you go to the end page, I am on the 4th one already. So I only need 1 person now, and immediately I get the 1 person, I will be able to click on withdraw button, and the person will be, the 15 naira will be added to this, and I'm going to be having a total sum of 2,000 naira, and I'm going to be able to withdraw. That's another withdrawal. So that's where the accumulation process comes in. As you can see here, I've started my own accumulation already, and I've been able to accumulate 2,000 naira, which I'm still accumulating more. So the amount you're going to earn on this program depends on how serious you take the program. So that's there about that. So right now that you've known how to claim the reward and everything, then I will take you to the withdrawal video and show you how withdrawal is being done in this program. Let's go. As I was saying, immediately you invite 5 new users to Palmpay. The 2,000 naira will appear on your dashboard like this, and the withdrawal button, that withdrawal now, as you're seeing it right now, it will appear. So remember, when we get started and we haven't referred up to 5 people, we are not able to see the withdraw now button. Instead of this withdraw now, we are seeing share. So that's that. When you get started with fresh one, you have to invite new users. Then you invite 5 new users. Then once you invite 5 new users, you get 2,000 naira total. Then after getting 2,000 naira total, the withdraw now button will appear, and you can now click on it to withdraw the money. So right now I'm going to click on the withdraw now so that we'll see how it goes here. So let's click on the withdraw button. So this is the withdraw button. Can you see withdrawal processing? So all I have to do right now, they will process the withdrawal, and I will check back later to see if they have complete the withdrawal processing. Then we'll continue another session. So once you complete one session, you start another one. Like if I click on resolve right now, then withdraw cash, this authentication rate, then it is processing. So I will still come back to this video after which they have completed the process, so that you can know the final steps and how everything works. So can you see this another session? So what I have to do right now is to select 2,000 naira and confirm. So when I confirm, I've gotten another 1,750 naira. All I have to do is to start afresh and start inviting new users to Palmpay again. So once I invite another 5 individuals, then I'm still going to be able to withdraw the 2,000 naira. So on this case, you will be getting 2,000 naira for 5 referrals. 2,000 naira for 5 referrals. If you click on history now, we will see the withdrawal that is on process. Can you see? This may take 24 hours. So after this 24 hours, I will resume this video and show you if my balance has been credited. So let's check what is in my balance right now. So this is another session. Maybe before I even resume this video to show you the final withdrawal, I could have gotten another 5 people to register on the application so that I can claim another session. So let's go to my balance and let me show you so that everything will be clear to you. So this is my balance right now. At the moment of recording this video, I'm having 909 naira on my balance. So immediately the process is complete, that means I'm going to be getting 2,909 naira on my Palmpay balance. So let's pause the video for now. Then when the withdrawal process is completed, I'm going to resume the video and show you everything. You're welcome back, guys. So as I've told you in our previous part of the video that I will pause the video until they send the withdrawal to my balance. So right now I just received a notification from Palmpay that I've successfully withdrawn the 2,000 naira to my Palmpay balance. And if you check this notification, this is it here. You see, congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn 2,000 naira. So congratulations on turning cash pay into money making. So what I have to do right now is to click on view. So update, this application is not up to date, so I will open it manually by myself. So I will go to reward as I've said. So I should see the notification here, the N2,000 naira. Let's this page fully propagates. Okay, so this is the option here, and now, so remember in the previous part of the video, before I pause the video, I've started another section. So let's wait for this page to load fully. So this is the another section that I've started. So I'm now having 1,865 naira. I've invited 2 individuals to download and register on the app, so it's remaining 3 users. So once I invite new users to the application, making 5, then I'll be able to withdraw another section, then I will be able to start another section. So it's as simple as that. Maybe the update has been installed fully. So let's go back to where we're. So this is it. If you go to the history, then the withdrawal notification, can you see? So I've successfully withdrawn the money to my balance. So in our previous video, I show you my balance, and there is a total sum of 900 naira on the balance at that point. So right now the 2,000 naira has been added, and this is 2,909 naira. So if I want to withdraw this money to my bank account now, all I have to do is to follow the normal withdrawal steps, and I will transfer it. It's just like transferring money from one bank to another. So the withdrawal is very fast, and nothing will stop it. You can withdraw your 2,000 naira immediately. You can accumulate it. Maybe you go to 10 rands, that's 20,000 naira before you withdraw. So anything you like, you can just follow your own rules. So if you have any amount on this application, there's nothing's going to happen to your money, so it is very safe. So if I want to withdraw this money to my bank now, I will just click on withdraw, then I will put the amount I want to withdraw, then I'll withdraw it to my bank account. So that's there about cash spree. It was cash spree officially, but so right now you can just see the reward option there. So that's there about that. So thanks for watching. If you have any question about this video, so just drop it in the comment section below, and I will be glad to provide response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.